Hello guys. Hi and how are you everyone? I hope you are still doing great and you will be fine in your life. So I told you that I will make a video on steroid, as well as also I will discuss the antibiotic resistance in the another video. So stay tuned with me, stay tuned with Mission Parivartan, and stay with Mission Parivartan, so that you can get the latest information on antibiotic or any single fucking disease and it's related to the cause. So here is the answer for every one of you. So let's go. So first of all, I would like to tell you that steroid medicine, in simple terms, is a type of medication, means medicine that contains substance called steroids. Steroids are chemicals naturally produced by our bodies or made in a laboratory as well as. So they can have powerful effects on various bodily functions. The usage of steroid medicines depends on the specific type, purpose, but here are some common uses. So let's discuss. First of all, reducing inflammation. Steroids can be used to decrease swelling and inflammation in the body and in any part in the body. And the second one is immunosystem suppression. Steroids can weaken the immune system's response. This is helpful in conditions where the immune system is overactive, such as autoimmune diseases. Third one is allergies. They are sometimes used to relieve. Steroids are sometimes used to relieve several allergic reactions or to control allergies when other treatment don't work. So the fourth one is hormone replacement. Steroid hormones like corticosteroids can be used as replacement in certain medical conditions. So the fifth one is athletic performance. Some people misuse steroids to enhance athletic performance. So it is very crucial to use steroid medicines only under the guidance of a healthcare professional, means a doctor. Because they can have a side effect. They can, not a doctor. The medicine of steroid. So steroids can have a side effects a lot, and their use should be carefully monitored to avoid any potentially harm with your body. So misuse of steroids can lead to serious health problems. Always follow your doctor's instruction when using steroid medicine. Don't try to purchase on your own. So here, how a steroid works in human body. In previous slide, we understood that steroid and its usage. Now in this slide, we understand how it works in our body. So steroids, also known as corticosteroids or simple steroids in a medical context, work in the human body by mimicking or modulating the effects of natural hormones produced by the adrenal glands, which are located on the top of each kidney. So these hormones are essential for various bodily functions and play a crucial role in regulating inflammation, immune responses, metabolism, and other processes. So here is how steroid works in the human body. So this is Let's go and discuss it one by one. First of all, as I told you, inflammation control. One of the primary functions of steroids is to reduce inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, but it can become excessive and harmful in certain condition. Okay. The other one is immunosystem regulations. So steroids can suppress the activity of the immunosystem. This is useful in condition where the immunosystem is overactive and attacking the body's tissues, as seen in autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis or lupus. So the other one is metabolism regulation. Corticosteroids are a specific type of steroid. I told you this before. Help regulate metabolism by influencing the breakdown of carbohydrates, fats and proteins. So they also play a role in maintaining blood sugar levels. So it is also very good for you. But before going to take any kind of fucking steroid medicine, you just need to consult with your doctor first. Don't blame on me. Don't try to blame on me. Just consult with your doctor. I'm not a doctor. I'm just giving you the information that you really need the most. And the last, not the least one, but there are two also. Allergic reaction. Steroids can alleviate allergic reaction by reducing the inflammation and immune response associated with allergies. So they are especially useful in severe allergic reactions. Okay, severe, you know very well. Now the other last one is, but not the least one, is organ transplants. Steroids are used after organ transplants to prevent the body from rejecting the transplanted organ. So it is also very good thing. So if you like the video, if you like the content of the video, and if you like the way I talk lot of videos, so you just put a comment for me, for the sake of feedback, for the sake of our channel to grow up at the highest point.